Okay, so now let's sing together. Okay, in one, two, three, go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Clap, clap.
If you're
If you're
happy, oh,
happy,
okay, show me your hand, please. Show me your hand. Okay, and clap. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! Very good. Can I see your smile? Wow, what a sweet smile you've got. Okay, let's proceed now to our lesson. Okay, all right. All right, let's talk about. Okay, let's talk about school supplies. My dear, do you have a bag for school? Do you have a bag for school? Okay, what?
a bag.
Wow, what color is your bag?
My color bag is pink.
Okay, again, let's say it one more time. My bag, my
Mm,
bag is color pink.
My bag is color pink.
Okay, that's perfect. All right. Now, may I know what's inside your bag? Okay, what is inside your bag? Do you have a pen? I pencil. Okay. Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have a pencil.
Okay. How many pencils have you got? I have
I one pencil.
one pencil. Wow, very good. You did a great job for that. Teacher will give you a pizza. Look, yay! Do you like it? Okay, it's yours
Yes,
now.
I
Okay,
like
okay, take one bite. Ah, yummy. Okay, next. Okay, so aside from pencil, have you got a paper?
it. I don't have a paper.
Okay, how about books?
I have books.
Okay, how many books do you have? I have.
10 books.
That's too many. Oh dear. Wow. Okay, how what else? Do you have crayons? Do you have crayons?
Yes, I have crayons.
Wow. Can you tell me what colors are the crayons? We have blue,
Blue, green, orange,
orange, what else?
red,
Red. What else?
pink.
Pink. Wow, very good. Good job. Okay. And now let's go to our lesson. Okay, please listen very carefully and repeat after teacher, okay? Okay. Now say paper.
Paper,
Okay. One more time. Paper.
paper,
Okay. This one. Say glue.
glue.
Okay. My dear, do you have a glue in your bag?
No, I don't have.
Okay, that's a very nice answer. Okay, number three. Okay, now say scissors.
Scissor,
Scissors.
scissor,
Okay, now let's put at the end of the word Caesar. Say scissors.
scissor,
One more time. Scissors.
scissor.
Okay, say, okay, scissors. Do you have scissors in your bag?
Yes, I have.
Wow, very good. Now let's say paint.
Paint.
Okay, perfect. All right, next one. What is this? What is this?
Paper.
Okay, now let's make a sentence. It is a paper.
It is a paper.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next one. Okay, wait for a moment, teacher. Teacher will give you a reward. Tanan! Yay! You did a great job. Okay, you got a smiley candy. Okay, come on, take a bite. Very good. Okay, what's this?
Blue.
Glue. Very good. Now let's make a sentence. It is, it is a glue. Okay, okay, one more time. What is it?
It
Okay, very good. Give teacher a high five. High five. Yay, high five. Okay, very good. It is a glue. All right, this one. What is it?
is scissor.
Okay, very good. One more time. What is it?
It is a scissor.
Very good. Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors.
Okay, very good. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, this one. What is it?
It is a pen.
Very good. What color is the paint? It's
It's
pie.
green.
Wow, very good. You did a great job again. Teacher is very happy, and for that, teacher will give you a lollipop. Yes. Okay, come on, let's take a bite. Yummy. Teacher is very happy. Okay, now listen and point. Okay, now look, let's start with this one. Okay, say paper.
Paper.
Okay, look at the desk. What is it?
It is paper.
Okay, it is a paper. It is a paper.
Paper.
Okay, one more time. Paper.
Paper.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? What is it? Glue.
Glue.
Okay, now look at that. What is he doing? He is holding a glue. Glue. Okay, what is it again?
It
Okay, it is a glue. Very good. This one, what is it? It is a.
pen.
Okay, one more time. It is a paint.
It
Okay, very good. Teacher can hear your voice clearly. Can you say it louder next time? Okay, this one, my dear, what is it?
scissor.
Very good. Good job. It's scissors. Okay, next. right. Now listen. Okay, listen and listen and say, I have paper.
But
Okay, next one. I have glue.
I have
Okay, next one. I have scissors.
scissors.
Okay, next one. I have paint.
Paint.
Okay, perfect. Yay! Okay, now let's sing together. Let's sing paper, glue, scissors, and paint. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Page 5. D. Sing. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint. I have paper.
Paper.
I have glue.
Glue.
I have scissors.
Scissors.
I have paint.
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 Paper, glue,
Glue.
scissors, and paint. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
Paint. I
The paper. I
Paper. I have glue.
I have glue.
Glue. I
I
have
have
scissors.
scissors.
Scissors. I
I
have
have
paint.
paint.
Paint. Paper. Glue. Scissors. And paint. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
Paint. Yay! Okay. Can you please can you please read this one? I have paper.
But
Okay. This one I have. Okay. Glue. Oh dear, your voice is in and out. Okay, next one. I have scissors.
scissors.
Okay, next one. I have paint.
I have paint.
Okay, perfect. You are so smart. Teacher will give you another reward. Okay, an excellent star. Yay! Look, you get an excellent star. Yay! Good job. Because you're so smart. Okay, so let's let's review our lesson. Okay, let's go back to the first one. So, my dear, what is it again?
Paper.
Okay, number two, what is it?
It is a glue.
Okay, very good. Number three, what is it again?
It is a scissor.
Very good. Number four, what is it again?
It is a paint.
A paint. Very good. Good job. Okay, now this one, you will say, I have paper.
I have paper.
Okay, this one, I have.
I have glue.
Okay, very good. This one,
Scissors.
very good. This one,
It is a
paint. Very good. I have paint.
paint.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's sing a song. Okay. Okay. School supply song. Okay, let's sing a song about school supplies. Are you ready, dear? Ah,
Ready.
oh, yes, you're ready. Very good. Teacher is very happy. Okay, wait for a moment.
Pencil, pencil, sharpener, sharpener, eraser, eraser, ruler, ruler, book, book, scissors, scissors, chair, chair,
Chair,
desk,
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 pen,
pen,
pen, bag,
bag,
bag, pencil,
pencil,
Oh,
sharpener,
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 sharpener.
eraser,
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 Razor.
ruler,
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 Ruler.
book,
scissors,
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 Scissors.
chair,
chair,
Chair.
desk,
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 Desk.
pen,
pen,
pen, bag, bag,
yay! Okay, since we are done with our lesson, we will talk about anything that you like. Okay, my dear, may I know about your favorite food? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My
Chicken.
chicken. Okay, now let's say my my favorite
My,
food is
my favorite food is chicken.
well, very good. I like chicken too. Teacher likes chicken so much. Chicken is very yummy, especially chicken joy. Chicken joy is very yummy. Okay, now how about what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Wow. Ah, that's why I see. That's why your bag is color pink because you like pink. Oh, I see. How about what is your favorite okay, subject? What is your favorite subject? Do you like English, math, art? Do you like drawing?
I like drawing.
Wow, you like drawing. Teacher likes drawing too. I like sometimes draw animals and plants and trees, anything. Okay, now, my dear, what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a teacher, police woman, a doctor? An artist? Okay. What do you want to be? I want to be.
I want to be a teacher.
Wow. Okay, you must study every day, okay? So that someday you will become a teacher, okay? Okay, now let's sing deep and wide, deep and wide. There's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Do you know how to sing deep and wide song?
I don't know.
Okay, teacher will help you. Okay, first let's sing deep and wide. Okay, say deep,
Deep,
deep
deep,
and wide, wide.
and wide.
Okay, deep and wide, deep and wide. Okay, your turn. Deep and wide,
Deep and wide.
deep and wide. There's a fountain. Okay, now say there's a fountain
There's a far day
flowing
flowing
deep and wide.
deep and wide.
Okay, one more time. Deep
Deep
and
and wide
wide, deep and
and
wide.
wide.
There's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Okay, yay! Okay, again, last one. Okay, let's sing the song last one and then let's go back to our lesson one more time. Okay, one, two, three, go. Deep and
Wide,
wide, deep and wide, there's
wide,
a fountain flowing deep and
deep and
wide,
wide.
deep and wide, deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Okay. Yay. All right. And let's review today's lesson. All right. Today's lesson, you have learned about. Okay. You have learned about. Okay. Repeat after teacher. Today. Today, I learned about. Today. Okay. Repeat after teacher. Today,
Today,
I learned
I
about
learned about
school supplies.
school supply.
Supplies.
Supply.
Okay. Put S at the end of the word and become supplies. Okay. One more time. School supplies.
School supplies.
Supplies.
Supply.
Wow, very good. Okay, one more time. What have you learned today? Today.
Today, I learned about school supply.
Very good. Oh, okay. Now give me some of school supplies. Number one. Okay. Example of school supplies. Number one, let's say
Bag.
bag. Very good. What else? Uh,
Ruler.
ruler. Very good. What else?
Book.
Book. Very good. What else?
Scissor.
Scissors. Very good. What else?
Pen.
Pen. Good job. What else?
Pen.
Okay. Already done with the pen. What else? Pencil. Okay, yay! Give teacher a high five. High five. Yay! And teacher will also give you a pet. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
I don't have a pet.
Okay, from now on, you have a pet because teacher will give you one. Tanan! I yeah, do you like panda?
Yes, I like panda.
Okay, it's yours now. Okay, it's yours now. This will be your pet from now on. Yay! Hi! Boom! Hello! Hello! Okay, so now it's time to sing a goodbye song. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, do you know how to sing goodbye song? Do you know how to sing a goodbye
I,
song?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Alligator. You don't know how to sing alligator goodbye song? Na 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 na. Okay, this one.
Preschool Romeo, let's sing and learn and grow. Alligator, big and green, time to go, it's almost been. Wave your tail and blink your eye, alligator says goodbye. Alligator swims in the blue, alligator waves to me and you. He likes to splash and play all day, but now it's time to swim away. See you later, alligator dear. No more splashing, have no fear. He'll be back another time for more fun and sunshine.
Yay! Okay, we don't have enough time now, dear. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Yes. Good night.